Curious about what makes luxury living in Central Park Tower so breathtaking? Well, let me tell you. This iconic skyscraper, located on Manhattan's prestigious Billionaires Row, is not just another luxury living building. It's a symbol of the future of luxury living. In this video, we'll explore the features, the amenities, and the investment potential of Central Park Tower, providing you with all the details you need to consider for this prime real estate opportunity here in New York City. So without further ado, here we go. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is McLean, and finding your home is my mission. Now, for those of you who aren't aware of this, Central Park Tower is actually the tallest residential building in the world. Well, for now, here in 2024 at least. This marvelous beauty is 1,550 feet above the streets of Manhattan. Designed by the renowned architectural firm Adrian Smith and Gordon Gill Architecture, this stunning structure offers breathtaking views of Central Park and the city skyline. The building's elegant design and luxurious interiors make it a standout in the New York City real estate market. With its prime location and exceptional amenities, Central Park Tower has become a highly sought-after address for those looking to invest in Billionaires Row real estate. Now let's discuss the architectural marvel of the Central Park Tower. The architecture of Central Park Tower is nothing short of extraordinary. The sleek lines and modern design are complemented by high-quality materials that create a sophisticated aesthetic. The building's cantilevered structure allows for unobstructed views from many of the residences, making every apartment feel like a private oasis in the sky. Inside, the apartments are designed to maximize space and light. Rotet Studios has crafted interiors that feature luxurious finishes, including custom cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances from Miele. The floor plans vary significantly, with options ranging from two-bedroom apartments to expansive penthouses that can exceed 11,500 square feet. This variety caters to different lifestyles and preferences, making it an ideal choice for anyone interested in buying luxury apartments in New York City. Central Park Tower amenities. One of the standout features of Central Park Tower is its impressive array of amenities. The Central Park Club spans 3 floors and offers approximately 50,000 square feet of hotel-style services. Residents can enjoy a state-of-the-art fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool with cabanas, and multiple lounges for relaxation and socializing. If you really love entertainment, then let me tell you that the building also includes a grand ballroom and a private restaurant on the 100th floor, an unparalleled setting for hosting events against a backdrop of stunning city views. Other amenities include a screening room for movie nights, and even a cigar lounge for those who appreciate fine tobacco. The lifestyle offered at Central Park Tower is truly unique. Residents have access to exclusive services that enhance their living experience, making it not just a home but a community where luxury meets convenience. A common question that I usually get asked about Central Park Tower is, what's the investment potential like? Well, investing in Central Park Tower is more than just purchasing a property. It's about securing a piece of New York City's vibrant culture and lifestyle. The demand for real estate investment in Manhattan remains strong, particularly for properties located in prestigious areas like Billionaires Row. The average price per square foot for new developments in Manhattan has seen fluctuations due to market conditions. However, luxury properties like Central Park Tower typically maintain their value well over time. As reported in 2024 market analyses, high-end sales have helped push average condo prices slightly above previous levels, despite challenges posed by high mortgage rates. For buyers considering Central Park Tower floor plans, it's important to note that these residences are not just homes. They are investments that can appreciate significantly over time. With Manhattan's real estate market continually evolving, owning a unit in such an iconic building positions buyers favorably for future growth. The Penthouse at Central Park Tower. At the pinnacle of luxury living is the Penthouse at Central Park Tower, currently listed at an astounding $150 million. Yes, that's $150 million US dollars. This extraordinary residence occupies the top 3 floors of the building and offers 11,545 square feet of interior space, along with an expansive 1,433 square feet of outdoor terrace. The penthouse features 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms with exquisite finishes throughout. The panoramic views from this unit are unmatched. Residents can gaze over Central Park and beyond from nearly every room. Living in this penthouse means enjoying unparalleled views and privacy. For those looking to invest in Billionaires Row real estate, this penthouse represents the ultimate trophy property. Now let's quickly discuss the lifestyle benefits. Living at Central Park Tower offers more than just luxurious accommodations. It provides an enhanced lifestyle filled with convenience and elegance. Residents can step outside their doors and enjoy everything that Midtown Manhattan has to offer, from fine dining restaurants to world-class shopping along Fifth Avenue. Plus, having Central Park as your backyard is an incredible perk. Whether you prefer leisurely strolls along its scenic paths or engaging in outdoor activities like jogging or picnicking with friends and family, living near this iconic park adds immeasurable value to life at Central Park Tower. Furthermore, with easy access to cultural institutions such as museums and theaters nearby, residents can immerse themselves in New York's vibrant art scene without traveling far from home. So in a nutshell, Central Park Tower stands as a beacon of luxury living in New York City, a place where modern design meets timeless elegance amidst one of the world's most iconic skylines. For those considering buying luxury apartments in New York City, this building offers unparalleled opportunities, not just as a residence, but as an investment into a lifestyle defined by sophistication and exclusivity. With its prime location on Billionaires Row and an impressive array of amenities designed for comfort and entertainment, Central Park Tower appeals to discerning buyers, seeking both luxury and convenience. The diverse range of floor plans ensures there's something for everyone, from cozy two-bedroom units to expansive penthouses that are fit for royalty. As you explore your options within New York City's dynamic real estate market, remember that investing in a property like Central Park Tower is not merely about acquiring a space. It's about embracing an extraordinary lifestyle filled with opportunities for enjoyment and growth. So if you're ready to take the next step towards owning a piece of this amazing skyline, or simply wish to learn more about what makes luxury living in Central Park Tower so unique, don't hesitate to reach out. Your dream home awaits amidst the stunning backdrop that only New York City can provide. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in learning about Central Park Tower in New York City. If you like this video and want to know more about the lifestyle of New York City, my contact details are below. Once again, my name is McLean and I'm a real estate agent with Corcoran here in New York. If you need my services, then give me a call today. My contact info is in the description box below. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York and its real estate market, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, your home is my mission.